It's really a well-designed and beautiful family home. You can really appreciate the size of the room from this angle.
Metro Guide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest property tour video for a brand new house and lot for sale located in a safe and secure community in Ayala Alabang, Metro Manila. This beautiful modern home was designed with the needs of a medium-sized family in mind. Now let's begin this property tour.
Hi, this is Bautista from metroguiderealty and welcome to a brand new property tour video for a beautiful 4-bedroom, brand new house and lot for sale located here in Ayala Alabang, Metro Manila. So today we're going to tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's begin by taking a look at this property's features.
This home provides you with 760 square meters in floor area on a 473 square meter lot, divided into 3 levels with a lower ground floor, an upper ground floor, and a second floor. Discussing each level, let's begin with the upper ground floor, which has a living room and a dining room, as well as a main kitchen, a lanai, a beautiful swimming pool, and a first floor den, which can serve as a guest room. The second floor has a family hallway, a master bedroom, a walk-in closet, and 3 bedrooms, while the lower ground floor has a 5-car garage, maid's quarters, a driver's room, a laundry room, as well as a second kitchen. The entire home has 5 bathrooms with a powder room.
Welcome to this beautiful home.
Here are 4 perspectives of this spacious living room so that you can appreciate its open design coming from the massive solid Narra wood door leading to the lanai and swimming pool area.
The first thing that we see here is this beautiful living space. We have large Italian tiles covering the entire first floor with beautiful indirect lighting, with floor-to-ceiling windows and easy access leading to the swimming pool. Let's take a look.
Here are 2 views of this calm and relaxing lanai and swimming pool area.
Now let's take a look at the first floor den, which can also serve as a guest room or as an additional bedroom. Let's go. So all the bedrooms in this property have their own inverter split type aircon, and they also have storage space in the form of these beautiful modular cabinets, and they also have these beautiful wooden accents as well. And we also have a well-designed bathroom.
Here's a quick look at the main hallway coming from the den.
Coming from the living room, the entrance, and the den, we can have a great view of the lanai and swimming pool as we enter the dining room. The dining area is separated from the living space by this beautiful floor-to-ceiling sliding glass door.
Here's another perspective of the dining area from the other side of the room.
So it's beautifully spaced, we have great natural lighting, and we can access the lanai and swimming pool from this sliding door.
Here's a view of the dining and kitchen area from the swimming pool.
And your dining area flows very naturally to this beautiful main kitchen.
This open and well-designed kitchen has a Bertazzoni cooktop, oven, microwave, and exhaust, as well as a Fisher and Paykel refrigerator.
Now let's take a look at a few more features before we head on upstairs. So we have this access door leading to the powder room and the lower ground floor. So we have a powder room over here. We have access going downstairs to the lower ground floor. And we're now going to go upstairs to take a look at the second floor, where we have our 4 bedrooms. Let's go. So we're welcomed by this beautiful Narra staircase. Welcome to the second floor. And right now, we're going to begin by taking a look at this beautiful design element of display cabinets. So this is actually a place where you can have pictures and mementos, and we have this huge black glass design which actually gives the entire floor a great elegant feel. So we also have additional storage space here. Which can serve as a linen closet. So this is actually one of the nicest linen closets I've ever seen. So let's go. Now welcome to the master's bedroom.
Here are 2 views of the master's bedroom so that you can appreciate its open and modern design.
So I'd like you to notice the slanted ceiling, which is basically asymmetrical because it's based on the design of the roofing of the home. You can really appreciate the size of the room from this angle. We once again have a Panasonic split-type inverter aircon, and we have this beautiful design element of wood and black glass where you can have a widescreen TV here. So you can have a living room set and actually a king-size bed over here with plenty of space left over. Let's now take a look at the master's bathroom and walk-in closet. This is a large space measuring almost 30 square meters, and it's built around a beautiful shower enclosure, so we can actually walk all the way around it. Let's go.
Here's a double vanity sink area with a beautiful shower enclosure as well as a well-designed dresser area.
Because of the size, you can actually call this a walk-around closet. So we have ample storage space here, and even shoe racks. We also have a beautiful dresser area here and additional storage space. Okay. Now let's head on over to the second bedroom. Let's go. So here we are welcome to a beautiful open space which we can consider a family hallway. So it has this floor-to-ceiling window which makes this such a well-lighted and bright area that connects the 4 bedrooms together.
Here's another perspective of the second floor family hallway.
So let's take a look at the first bedroom. So we have an area here, which is an excellent option if you have a family member who's still studying. So you already have a built-in study desk, and you have storage space. As well as here. And a well-designed bathroom. Now let's take a look at the third bedroom. So we have a large window, letting in a lot of natural light. We have an inverter split type aircon. And a beautiful wooden design element for your widescreen TV. And storage space. And let's take a look here at the bathroom. Let's now take a look at the fourth and last bedroom. Welcome to the fourth bedroom. Wow. So this is actually the most well-lighted bedroom because it has one half of the room made up of large floor-to-ceiling windows, and we have a lot of storage space here as well. And it's also quite spacious. It also has one of the larger shower enclosures in a well-designed bathroom. Let's now take a look at the lower ground floor. So you might think that the lower ground floor might seem like a basement, but in terms of the design and the feel, it's actually very light and it feels very well spaced as well. Okay, let's go.
The lower ground floor has a spacious utility and laundry area, a second kitchen, as well as maids and drivers' quarters, and a 5-car garage.
We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this beautiful brand new house and lot for sale located in a beautiful community here in Ayala ALABANG Village, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just get in touch with us through our email and number in the description below. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Bautista from metroguide.realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.